on and fake it. We still know we will break it. We make the same mistakes we always made, and now let's face it.
Okay, so my eyes are set and primed and my eyebrows are done and everything. I'm going to take the shade Creamsicle from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to brush that in my crease a little bit as a transition shade. Alright, with that same brush, I'm going to go in with my Sleek Cosmetics, like matte bright palette. I'm just going to take the orange and go a little bit lower into my crease. Now I'm taking a Sonia Kashuk blending brush with my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm just going to take a darker orange and go in the inner corner and the outer corner of my eye to make a little halo eye. The color I'm using right now is called Ablaze. So with the same brush, I'm going to go in, still the Morphe 3502 palette, I'm going to go in with the color Fire, and just focus it more on the inner and outer corner, like crease of my eye. And I'm not going to blend it out too much, just so that it's darker in those areas. Next, I'm going to take the shade Brick and really, really focus it in the outer corner. I know I'm going with 1,000 different colors, but this is just how I do it to make sure everything's blended out and diffused. So now it's not getting as dark as I want it to, so I'm going to take a little bit of the color Rich and go in the same place. So I'm going to go run and clean the fallout, and then I'm going to take this Milk jumbo eye pencil in Milk, and I'm going to kind of create a little cut creasy type of thing in the center, like a little halo eye kind of thing. So yeah. Alright, so I'm going to take my Aurora Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to take the lightest shade called Luna with a little flat brush, and I'm just going to press it on to the center of my lids. I was just kind of going back and forth with the white and then blending out the edges of it a few times just so that I can just so I can make sure that everything's nice and smooth. And yeah, I'm going to do the same on the other eye. Now I'm going to take Eclipse from that Aurora palette and go on my brow bone, and then I'm going to conceal my under eyes, and then we'll keep rolling. Well, right now I'm just going to take, like I said, Eclipse and Allura and just go on my brow bone, and then I'm going to take the orange shadow that I used in the beginning and just smoke it out on the bottom. Let's go.
We keep on going, though everybody know it. The truth about our way, we tied it loose ends up, I'm sorry. We could go on and fake it. We still know.
I'm using the iikonn lashes in the style Heartbreaker. They're super wispy and nice. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the glue to dry, and I'll pop them on. I didn't know what I was doing for this look. I knew I wanted it to be orange and white, like a creamsicle-y, and it did come out a little bit darker than I wanted, but yeah. And it's definitely more simple than I normally do, but we're gonna roll with it. Alright, you guys, so that's it for this look. I know you didn't get to see my face, but it was just a little mini eye tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. All of the products I use will be down below. And yeah, you can check out some close-up pictures on my Instagram if you want. And yeah, it'll be pretty fun. It's pretty simple, but it's cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you want to see next week. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. And yeah, bye. Love you. I'd just like to say thank you to Cheez-Its. Thanks for sponsoring this video. That's a joke. Complete joke.